Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix 502 bad gateway error. All right, let's begin. So, in order to fix 502 bad gateway errors fast and easily, you have to follow these steps. First, simply refresh the page. Press F5 or tap the refresh button in your browser. Many times, the issue is temporary, and a quick refresh fixes it instantly. If that doesn't help, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data and reload the website. If you're still seeing the error, try opening the site in a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Brave or Microsoft Edge. This helps you check whether the issue is with your browser or something else. Next, flush your DNS cache. To do this, open the command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This clears old or incorrect IP information that might be causing problems. You can also change your DNS servers to Google DNS for better reliability. Right-click the network icon in your system tray, go to Open Network and Internet Settings, then click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on your connection. Next, select Edit under DNS Server Assignment, choose Use the following DNS addresses, and enter 8.8.8.8 for the primary and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary DNS. Click Save when done. Finally, if nothing seems to work, check if the website itself is down. Go to a site like Down for Everyone or justme.com and enter the web address. If it shows the site is down for everyone, the issue is on their end, and you'll just need to wait for them to fix it. These simple steps solve most 502 bad gateway errors you can handle on your own. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix 502 bad gateway error. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.